I attended the Mindfulness Mastery Workshop today. The session today felt so geared towards any level of ability, which made me feel quite just comfortable and relaxed, and almost like it is something that I could adopt going forward. I can make healthier choices, I can involve myself in things more and feel more confident. So overall I just couldn't be happier with the way I've been feeling. I had the sleeve gastrectomy. I'd had a lot of difficulties with my weight sort of coming from, in my childhood and in the lead up to my decision. I tried so many different sort of fads and diets and yo-yos and, with some with a lot of success, but then, I tend to kind of fall back into old habits, and that would really negatively impact my self-esteem. The first 6 weeks have been really good, actually a lot better than I expected. But I was really surprised at how quickly I started to feel well, how quickly I was mobile at home, how quickly I was able to get into, doing some walking. And, apart from a little bit of discomfort here and there, but that's always been helped by me just becoming more aware of my body and how it's responding to this new way of life. I'm really looking forward to learn about loving myself in lots of different ways. So not just, in my appearance and physically, but I can make healthier choices, I can involve myself in things more and feel more confident. And I think becoming a better role model to my children, that's a really big motivator. I've got a daughter who I don't want her to carry forward, negative self-esteem stuff that I've carried in my life. There's always going to be the physical stuff, but there's so much more than that. It made me realise that, there's little moments where I could feel a greater sense of well-being and gratitude, I suppose, that I can capture easily every day if I just take that time to just be present instead of being distracted by other things.